How to join FPL League with code. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are already logged into your account. You can log into your account using the web version, or also you can use the app. For this video, I'm gonna use the web version. You can launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Fantasy Premier League and then log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Leagues and Cups, click on it. Now head towards this option, create and join new leagues and cups, open that option. Now scroll down and head towards the option of join a league or cup, click on it. Now from here you can choose a league type to join, invitational leagues and cups or public leagues. As you have code to join the league, click on the option of join invitational league and cup. Now go ahead and type in the code over here. After you type in the code, click on join league, and with that you'll get access to the league. So this is how you can easily join FPL League with code. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.